Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with the results of close-up coins. A huge shout out to everyone that took place. There was 5 close-ups and let's see what they are in this video. The first coin then was the Jemima Puddeduck 50p from 2016, the most valuable of those Beatrix Potter coins. Next we'll move on to a few Olympics. The first one then, as you can see on the screen now, those are actually boxing gloves, which means that they are from the 2011 Olympic Boxing 50p. There it is on the screen. Number 3 then was actually another Olympic coin. A huge shout out if you managed to get this one correct. I was a little bit mean with this one. This is actually the rough markings of the basketball in the background, and then you do have a few shots there, including the slam dunk on the right. Move on then to number 4, and it's definitely an Olympic themed video. Number 4 then is the Aquatics 50p. I would have accepted swimming as well. There she is in the middle. Now number 5, very mean with this one. This is actually a coin that is no longer in circulation. It's the old style larger 50p coin, the Ring of Hands from 1973. So now that we've seen the 5 coins, the question is, did anyone guess it correctly? And if so, who has managed to guess it correctly? Everyone's been on fire, and it's like the credits actually at the end of this video, the amount that got it right. And we will have a little look at everyone now. Ian Strudwick, Darren Cheshire, Secret War, Fallon Jenkins, Dylan64 Gaming, Yellow Lighthouse, Norman Graham, Smithy7890. We've also got Andy Vickers, William Mitchell, William Ackler, Squirreling Coins, and also Curtis McElroy. A huge shout out to all of you there. Well done on getting them all right. Now, maybe I thought that I was being mean, maybe I actually wasn't. So, there's going to be another one of these coming up this evening, and the aim of the game is for me to make sure that nobody gets 5 correct. Again, best of luck for all of you that play along. Unfortunately, no prizes, but it is all just about having a little bit of fun. There is another game on the channel as well at the moment, Guess Dan's Coin. Head over to that and see if you can get it right before 6 PM tomorrow. I hope you've all had a really nice Christmas, everyone. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.